Looking for a restaurant in old Beijing. No, Shanghai this time. Oh, last time in Macau, in Hong Kong, in Beijing, in Shanghai. Hello. I'm in Beijing now. Wow. Look at these folks here. Nice. Look at this. Wow. How cool. Look what I'm finding. Hidden away places. I'm in Shanghai. The restaurant that I had dinner. I had to find my way back. What am I going to do? Pitch dark. Nobody's on the street. It's 9 o'clock. Look at this. What? This is Shanghai. Look at this. 9 o'clock. Wow. Amazing. I'm trying to find my way out of here. Will I get robbed? No, I'm in China. You should never be concerned. You should never be worried. You're well protected. You're well taken care of by the people, by this land. Your wallet will be intact. They will never mess around with you. Oh dear. Kurumi. Pink Tesla. Kurumi. Look at this one. Elon Musk. Remember, you got Teslas looking like this also here in China. Along the way, as I walk to look for my little train station, I find all this. Hello. Wow. Amazing. Wonderful. Look at this lovely just lady. Wow. Here we have it, folks. Road crossings are always like this in China. Smart. Nice way to get around. Instead of having to block the road, congest with the traffic lights, put an overfly. Which allows the traffic to go through, whilst pedestrians has unrestricted and, more importantly, continuous flow of pedestrian access, while the bridge, fantastic.